just right.
No, that's...
You can check that out. Go ahead and look at it. You just do this.
Shut up!
Just like that.
Shut up! Hang on. That doesn't even look torn. Oh my god, I love that. It's actually stuck back together with some sort of witchcraft. I really don't know. I'm fooled. I don't know.
Welcome back to another episode of Fooler. I'm Lloyd.
I'm Kaylee.
And today I'm going to show Kaylee this. You've never seen this trick, but this was the first like major release that I ever give to the magic community. And I haven't done it for years and years and years. And lately I've been practicing it, so I thought I would give you a chance to see it.
Show me.
Yeah, so I was about 16 when I created this.
Whoa. It's like years and years and years and years and
Literally
years ago.
half my life ago.
Yeah. My god.
Isn't that weird? More than half my life ago.
That makes me feel old.
Like 18 years ago. So I want you to look at this card. It's a trick that involves one playing card.
It's the King's
And I've
Day.
never performed this kind of... Well, I've performed this type of trick, but not this actual, like, thing with you. So what I want you to do is take that King of Spades.
Yeah.
And you're really good at craft. So I want you to try and fold it in half as perfectly as you can.
Which way? That way.
You're going to end up doing it both ways. So,
Okay.
yeah. But as perfectly as you can and make a nice crease and then fold it back
Oh,
on
hang on, the
itself.
tongue's coming out.
Kaylee can't do anything crafty with her tongue now.
Okay.
Is it perfect?
It will be.
Good. Here we go. Look at that.
That
Fold it back on itself,
perfection.
just so then it's got a nice
Actual perfection.
It actually is. I'm so glad. Do you know, it was so long ago when I made this effect that I would do everything myself, but actually this is much better.
Now he delegates.
And then, now open up and fold it.
This is going to be
lengthways.
harder.
Yeah, it's a little bit trickier. Look at that tongue.
Oh, I can't do it.
Tonguey. And then put a nice...
I can't do it when my tongue's not out.
Do you want me to help with you?
I got it.
See, because you're into crafts, this is probably the best part of the trick. It's all downhill.
Oh no. That's not saying much, is it?
It really isn't.
I'm not very
It
good
really
at crafts
isn't.
either. There you go.
Okay, yeah, it's a nice big crease in it. Perfect.
Done.
All right, so do you mind if I take it back?
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Mhm.
Happy with you? I'm happy with your work. So the creases do two things.
Okay.
The first, if all goes to plan,
I hate ripping playing cards. I hate.
tell everyone about your thing with books.
Oh my god. I literally, if it's my book, you cannot fold a page. And I read a book like this.
She'll throw a book out if somebody...
If someone bends it open... I can't do it. Sorry.
You literally can't. So it helped me...
Oh.
The first thing it does is that it makes it easier, a lot easier for me to tear it into quarters. So start with the first piece. The second thing it does, and this is more interesting, I'm going to place them in my pocket for now. You don't have pockets, do you?
No.
The second thing that it does is that it leaves a visual reminder in the card for what's about to happen.
Okay.
Okay?
Because it's torn.
Kind of like crease lines in your face. They said the lines in your face are a map.
I
which
don't
is a
have
story.
any.
Yeah? Oh, you do.
Ah! Thanks.
No. But we've torn the card now that you folded into quarters. We've torn those quarters up.
Yeah.
Right? And there's 4 pieces.
Yeah.
So, if you could do magic right now,
Yeah.
what would you do?
Put them back together.
Okay. If you had said make them vanish, I would have made them vanish.
Oh.
I'm kidding. They was always going this direction. So watch. This is kind of tricky for everyone to see in you. So I'll try and do it here. But if you, when you see the moment happen, just kind of look at the camera so everyone sees what you think.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see the trick. Watch.
Yeah.
2 halves of the torn card. I get it just right. Let's try this. There.
No, that's not together.
It is. Wait.
No.
Let me get to the piece. It looks like it restores. Watch this third piece or second piece.
Ah!
You can check that out. Go ahead and look at it. That's 2 pieces back together so far.
With
Actually,
glue?
no. The last piece is hardest. Do you know why?
Why?
Well, why would you imagine why it would be the hardest piece?
I don't know.
Because it's got
You
two
can't do
edges.
any trickery.
Because it's got two edges, so it's twice as
Oh
hard.
yeah.
So the first edge I'll do slow.
Okay.
With this.
Oh my god. This
You
is
can
insane.
see,
Yeah.
right? Tell everyone what you're experiencing here.
I have no idea what he is doing.
The last edge.
I'm
is
really
the
trying to
harder.
be everyone's eyes.
You just do this,
Shut up!
just like that.
Shut up! Hang on. That doesn't even look torn. Oh my god, I love that. Look how that's like perfection. It's actually stuck back together with some sort of witchcraft.
No, it's not stuck back. So real quick, honest reactions whilst this effect is fresh. And I have to say that everyone watching this, that some of you may have remembered this effect from many years ago. That's the first time I performed this in at least a decade, I think. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe not a decade, like 5 years at least. So very big apologies for the ropey performance. Are you fooled?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Or no, it's up to you.
I don't know. It's got to be some sort of.
Ask questions if you want, but what?
Okay. Does it involve more than this card? Like, is there another card?
Did you
involved?
see me switch that card?
No.
Everything was done at chest level. Honestly, did you see me switch that card at any point?
No.
Each piece went on. It was attached. It was even handed to you throughout the routine.
Yeah. Even after that, the second piece went on, I had it in my hands. Is there some sort of glue?
No.
Sounds so silly.
No.
Some sort of. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm fooled. I don't know.
Genuinely fooled, and you could be honest.
Yeah, I genuinely.
100% honest.
Yeah, I don't know how you stick things back together. There's no tape on it. I can
Give
assure
the
you
camera
that.
a closer look as they want.
There's no tape. It just looks folded, but there's definite like.
And also, if you folded it, if I didn't get a close look at the fold, but if you noticed any blemishes that you from the card that when you folded it, maybe you folded one of them a bit wonky, then you can see after it's the same card.
No, I was perfect.
Oh.
As always.
Entertainment?
Yeah, and completely entertained.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it happened in front of my eyes. It was, and I had hold.
It's a very
of it.
different trick to what I normally do for you.
Yeah.
This is a magic-y.
It's more of
trick.
an illusion-y, magic-y trick and not a card trick, which is what I like.
Well, not,
And it happens in front of me and I can hold it. I'm part of the trick. I love those type. They're the ones that entertain me the most. The ones where I get to hold the things, I get to do stuff. And then the trick happens there in front of your face. And there is no escaping from the performance for the magician then anyway.
Yeah. So entertainment, creativity.
Yeah, five across the board, because that has completely stumped me. And if you can look at my face back in this video, you'll see the little cogs turning around.
Second piece.
Huh?
You can check that out. Go ahead and look at it. That's 2 pieces back together so far.
With
Actually,
glue?
no.
I have no idea how I did that.
Bonus points.
Yeah, because it's not a card trick. You handed me a card, I expected a card trick, and it's not. It was an illusion trick, and I love that.
All right, wicked. Well, thank you so much.
Well done,
Any
you.
Additional info? Any additional feelings on it?
If anyone could comment down below and they know how to do it, help me, because he definitely
Well,
won't.
this was a download I put out years ago. Anyone that's in the Society Secrets on Patreon, this tutorial is up there for free, along with over 25 other tutorials.
I will be watching.
So if you want to go and learn this right now, the 2023 updated hand, and I shot it yesterday, then you feel free to. I mean, it's already up there for everyone else who's a member of the Society of Secrets. There's hundreds of members up there, so you all get it free. It's in your account now. And if you want to sign up, go to patreon.com/LloydB, or check out the link in the description down below or up there, and you can go and sign up and learn it right now. But apart from that, thank you so much for... Oh, how cool was that?
That was good.
Oh, that was better than the trick.
That was a good bit. Keep
Oh.
twice. Get it in there.
What?
That's what she said.
Hope you all enjoyed today's episode, folks. If you haven't done so already, please hit that
Subscribe button.
And what else? We're probably forgetting something.
You always forget
I'm
something.
probably forgetting something. Until next time, folks, we'll see you all very, very soon. Peace.
Bye.
I like this. Kill off the glitter.
That was good.
Ta-da!
That
Did I flash or anything?
No,
Did I flash?
I don't think so. I didn't see anything. I thought it was glue.
Glue? Are you genuinely full?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. I thought there's one part that I majorly up on.
No, you were moving further away, so I thought, oh, well, he thinks he's up because he's moving away from me.
Yeah, I was panicking that the camera was going to pick me up.
No, it was. I didn't see a flash, mate. If I did see the flash, I didn't know how it worked.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, cool. Want to keep it?
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks.
Can we film the next trick?
Yeah.
Let's do it.